everybody, I got a new Lego set. It is Lego set 7915. I'm going to zoom up on the price. I got it for $2.59 at Target. This set came out 2011, 139 pieces. Set number 7915. Really excited about it. Let's get her open. Let's get her unloaded. Okay. Apologize. And this is an older box. I like it because it shows some of the other sets. These are the smaller ones, which are all pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we got here. Stickers, one manual, pretty long piece. And here you go. Alright guys, just wanted to show you guys this I'm happy I got it. I got a lot of the bigger aircrafts. I'm a big aircraft collector, so I'm happy I got one of the smaller sets. Alright, take care guys.